guys, what it do, baby, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload. So today we'll be building a desk. I got this desk off of Walmart. It was $95 a roll back, but after tax I paid like $112, I think, something like that. But I'll be attempting to build it on my own. It's upside down. This is what it's supposed to look like or whatever. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open up the package. Yeah, that's what's it. So y'all, I have my measuring tape right here, and I have my screwdriver right here. And where's my knife? Where did I put my knife? Where did I put my knife? And my knife to cut up the tape and stuff. Okay. Alright. I see it. This on the side. Doesn't this come with a manual though? Okay, so this is the top. This is the one of the legs. Two of the legs. Oh, there's the manual. Okay. It comes with a drawer. That's cool. Oh, where's step one though? Okay, so what we need to do is find all the pieces. I don't see no numbers or anything on it. And we have these. Okay, so everything is labeled, so it should be easy. Okay. Step 1 says get 11 and add 8. How do I know which one is 11? It says here 11 is this is 5. Let's see. So guys, I've come to the conclusion that this is the raw manual. I have no idea what I'm gonna do, but this is the raw manual. This is not the desk that I ordered. So small, the desk I ordered do not have a drawer, and it also has like these things, which is in an A form, and this is not in an A form, and I have like 2 shelves on the side there, which I don't see 3 shelves here. So this is the raw manual down. So I might have to go online to see if I get a manual for this, Google it or whatever. Because baby, this is the raw manual. Yeah. Okay. We're gonna put this. So guys, this is the desk that I ordered, and this is the desk that the manual has. It came with. So there was an error, a mix-up. So now that I have my instructions, let's get into it. Okay, so first thing first, we're gonna get 9. This is 9. So now we take it. This is done. Done. Step 2, we're gonna go ahead and take 2, 3, 5 and apply E, which is this. There. So we're gonna need C, B, and D. For this one, so we're gonna get 1, 2. Okay, that's these two. Okay, so I'm gonna put it down first. And then I'm going to 8. So 8 is gonna go here. Who you know could do a disc? I'll wait. Which girl you know could do the disc? Well, I think I'm seeing it because you have to be on this floor. You can come out. Next step. Next step is to take 5, which is this. The way I see it, this is for that side, and this is set of screws. Last but not least, whoops, and the final step with these stickers, I just have to like cover up the outside. So guys, this is my little desk that I built. Hecka cute. So it's gonna go against this window. So I switched to my front camera. If the quality looks a little different, I'm sorry. Right now I'm in front of the window so I can get as much natural light as I can. But yeah, it took me about an hour to build. I would say less than an hour, but an hour, like, yeah, about that. That's how long it took me to build, only because I couldn't find the manual, which I said in the beginning. But yeah, I'm redecorating my room right now. As you can see, I have like a couple of stuff up. I'm just redecorating my room. I haven't forgotten about the room tour. I shift rooms, so yes, I have a whole new room tour for you guys. But stay tuned, don't worry, things are coming in one by one, which kind of sucks, but it will all be done soon. So stay tuned for that. And guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you want to see more videos like that. I cannot promise you that, but eventually we will have more videos like that. And yeah, subscribe. See you guys in my next video.